Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for it. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you what are the Python modify strings and their explanation. What is that? Actually Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use in the strings like that. We can modify when we use this Python function or Python variables like that. So next go to for the practice term. So here is the practice things in Jupyter notebook. So in uppercase we will do this what Python modify string. Is string, we have to mind it, string things we are doing. So here a variable carry hello IT world sentence a value. So if we print upper a dot upper, it will show the uppercase. See, here is mix later, so uppercase. Now if we print the lower, here also mix. If we call in a function lower, then all the words has been printed capital letter. Now the remove white space has been removed. The striped function will work in this case. Before that we will use this. If we give the space, see, so in this sentence will come here, print, look here. But if we print these sections, then it will work from the beginning side. See, these kinds of space has been removed. Then the replacing string, what is this? Actually if you want to replace the letter or anything things, then we can replace easily with the replace function. So what do we want to replace? So a has carry small letter e. So if we want to replace with capital E, so what's that? If we play, see here, the capital letter E. Next, the split function, what it will work. So split, actually split means something divide or something divided, some sentence, some words. So we wanna split these things. A, that means the A variable who carry some value, we split the if we give the comma space, see it this, and if we press this split word, again we comma this, print here the comma, and the single comma will show the splitting function. See, each each word has been carry the splitting side. So it has been splitted by single quotation, or as well as it worked the third bracket. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.